sorry, Binoo. It's just that I'm feeling dizzy and my forehead is a bit hot and I think I might be coming down with the sniffles. Where are you going, Binoo? Oh, right. You want me to rest. Thank you, Binoo. I think I'm thirsty. Water, that would be really good. That's so kind of you. Thanks, Binoo. Binoo, do you know what? I still feel a bit dizzy and my mouth is so far away from my glass and I'm so weakened. Huh? What a fabulous idea. Thank you again. Excuse me, Binoo. I thought everything was perfect, but actually, I'm not very comfy. Do you have an idea? Oh, yes, you do. Is this perfect? No. I think it's still not right. What can I do? This pillow is a bit, well, it's a bit lumpy. But maybe if I close my eyes and try to forget about the lumps. Wow, Binoo, thanks. Could you hand me that one? Ooh, it feels so soft. No, too hard. Oh, maybe that one. Too squishy, I think. Those? All right, let's see. Yes, this is the one. Especially if I put another one here and... Nope. Sorry, one's too soft and the other one is too big. No, I'll find a good way. Maybe if I put my head on this one. That looks extra comfy. Ooh, it's marvelous. I think I might be feeling a little better. How can I ever thank you? I don't know why, but I'm cold now. The sun? Oh, that's so nice and warm. It's perfect. But the light is so strong now. This is nice. I love you so much. Binoo? Binoo? Are you still there? Binoo? Where did you go? Huh? What's that? A piano! Wow! You're gonna play? For me? Oh, to make me feel better. Oh, thanks. That's so pretty. Hey, you know what? I'm all better because of you, Binoo. I can smile again and sing and dance. Wow! Oh, poor Binoo. Let me help you. There you go. Don't move. I'll be right back. Here I am. Now I'll play your favorite song. And soon you'll feel better. You'll see.